Yo, 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 what's up with the Facebook family? It's Ed coming to you live here from my home here in Dallas, Texas. Just want to come on here and drop off a couple of nuggets like always. I'm going to allow Facebook and YouTube some time to let everybody know I'm live. And we're going to get kicked off here in just a second. Today's topic is techniques for installing good habits in your life. Techniques for installing good habits in your life. We're going to get... Hey, and also, as you're coming on in, feel free. Let me know where you're tuning in from, what part of the country, what part of the world. I love being able to go back in the comments and respond back to everybody. Techniques for installing good habits. Techniques for installing good habits. We're going to get kicked off here in just a second. All right. Hey, everybody. Welcome. All right, let's go ahead and get kicked off. And like always, you guys, I love just to, start off with a question, just have you thinking about kind of what I'm going to talk about today. But the question I have for you guys, for everybody is, are you ready in your life to replace the bad habits with good habits? Are you ready to replace the bad habits with good habits in your life? And we're going to talk about that. You don't have to comment in the comments with your answer, but I love this topic because it's something that I deal with, and I'm pretty sure a lot of other people deal with as well. Just the bad habits of things that hurt us more than they help us. Things that we think that are just natural, but they actually hurt us. And we may think we became so comfortable, I should say, that we don't even realize that it's a bad habit, something that's hurting us more than it's helping us. And there's so many different things out there, whether it be, playing the game, social media, where we get tied into just scrolling, where we just, we don't get no work done. And you might have your home-based business. Next thing you know, you're supposed to be working on a business online. And then next thing you know, you scrolling, commenting on everybody's activities, but you haven't even put in the work that you said you was going to do. See, it becomes a bad habit because over time, it's just as bad as, this was something that was so big for me at first for a while, which was as soon as I get up in the morning, except getting up, thanking the Lord for a wonderful day, I'm over here checking Facebook. First thing I do when I get up. Every day is a blessed day, so I should, get up at least thank Him for it. But so it's things like that. It's little bad habits that over time seem so natural, so okay, so comfort zone level that it hurts us. Good habits are the key to success. Point blank, period. Good habits are the key to success. Bad habits are an unlocked door to your failure. Whether it be eating bad, whether it be eating a whole bunch of snacks, and all these different things that may hurt you over time that we just don't think about while we're doing them. And so I do have 6 techniques I believe that can help everybody out, develop some good habits. I'm just going to share 3 of them with you guys because I don't want to hold y'all's time up. But hey, just like always, you can always text me, reach out to me. I have, I would definitely get them to you and everything of that nature. But tip number 1 is set yourself up to succeed. And a lot of people ask, I had a friend ask me, well, how do you do that? Well, think about it. And I'll give you a couple of examples. Some people say they want to get in shape. Okay, well, you got to set yourself up to succeed. Well, have you at least put aside an extra hour of your day, taking it off the schedule, say, hey, this is the day I'm going to work out? That's a way to set yourself up to succeed. Grab a gym membership. Whether you're a high school basketball player or a young kid, trying to play football, basketball, run track, whatever it may be, or you setting yourself up to succeed. So instead of playing a video game, or you going outside to shoot those free throws, set yourself up. Instead of asking for a video game, ask your parents for a basketball goal. Set yourself up to succeed. It don't matter what your age is. It don't matter it don't matter what color you are. It doesn't matter about that. You got to set yourself up, you guys. That's what it starts with. It's Whether, you are trying to get in shape and different things of that nature. Well, do you got snacks laying around the house? Or do you have some granola bars or some healthy snacks, some fruit, some things that you know that when you do get that craving to want to eat, do you have that protein shake or whatever it may be? Set yourself up to succeed in whatever endeavor it is. Some people say, well, I need a job. Well, okay, have you set yourself up to apply? Have you looked? Have you asked around? Have you done those type of things? That's tip number 1. Set yourself up to succeed. Tip number 2. When you're doing this, think of addition, not subtraction. Some people be like, oh, well, I won't get to play the game, or I won't get to, I won't get to eat these snacks and different things. And so instead of thinking all the things that can go wrong and thinking all the things that is taken from you, think about the things that it's adding. So those extra 3-5 hours that you're playing the game, well, have you thought about what you want to do with those 3 to 5 hours? Well, hey, I could be working on the business. Hey, I could be applying for the job. Hey, I could be outside shooting free throws. Hey, I could be outside running extra routes. Doing the extra run, doing extra abs, whatever it may be that's in your endeavor in life. Just remember, think of the addition to it and not the subtraction of everything. Tip number 3. And this is something big. A lot of people frown upon it, but it's going for the public display of accountability. And what I mean by this, let's say, for instance, you are trying to lose some weight. Let's say, for instance, you are trying to, get a new job. Well, let's say, for instance, you are trying to build your business and different things like that. Well, why not come to your friends in public and ask for them to be your accountability partner? Let's say you are trying to lose weight. Well, why not post on Facebook? Hey, I would love for everybody to keep me accountable to make sure I go to the gym every single day for 1 hour. So simple as that. Some people will help you out, some people won't. But it's the public accountability that will allow people to, not just your close surroundings, your comfort zone friends and family, to keep you accountable with what you said that you was going to do. And so those are the 3 tips. Just want to come on here and drop out them 3 little quick nuggets. Set yourself up to succeed. Think addition and not subtraction. And then also go public with your accountability. And then guess what? I do have 3 more of those. But what I did want to say is you got to do that over and over and over and over until it becomes a good habit. It takes 21 days for something to become a habit. Point blank, period. So whether it's a good habit or a bad habit is up to you. But you know what's holding you back, and you also know what can propel you to the next level. Like always, I love to end off with a quote here. And I actually found this quote, and I said it hit home real well. It said, sow a thought, and you'll reap an action. Sow an action, and you'll reap a habit. Sow a habit, and you'll reap a character. Sow a character, and you'll reap a destiny. So it's all up to you guys of how you want to change this up. I encourage you to sit down and write down some of the bad habits that you have, and then figure out ways that you can cross those out and make good habits of that. You can do this. Trust me, I know you can. But if you got value from this, feel free to share this with your family and friends. If you're watching a replay, let me know you're watching the replay. And also, if you want the other 3 tips that I have for developing techniques for good habits, just let me know. Reach out to me, text me, call me, Facebook message me. Trust me, I'll get them to you. But that's all. Peace out, you guys. I hope you got value from this. I'll see y'all tomorrow.